Ever wondered how to breathe completely new life into your existing images using the power of AI? Today, we're diving into one of Runwayml's most exciting features, Image to Image. This powerful tool lets you transform your photos and artwork into entirely new creations using cutting-edge AI models. First, head over to Runwayml and find the Image to Image tool. You'll see a clean interface designed to be incredibly user-friendly. The core of this feature is taking an image you already have and guiding the AI to create something new based on it. So, let's start by uploading your chosen image. Once your image is loaded, you'll see it displayed prominently. Now comes the creative part, telling the AI what you want. You can now write a text prompt. Think of this as describing the new vision you have for your image. For example, if you uploaded a portrait, you could prompt in the style of Van Gogh or as a cyberpunk character. Crucially, your prompt guides the AI's interpretation. The more descriptive you are, the closer the result will be to your imagination. You'll also find a strength or guidance control. This slider dictates how much the AI should deviate from your original image. A lower strength means the AI will make subtle changes, preserving much of the original structure. A higher strength allows the AI more freedom to reimagine your image entirely. Experimenting with this strength slider is key to finding the perfect balance between your original input and the AI's creative output. After setting your prompt and strength, simply hit Generate. Runwayml's AI will then work its magic, producing a range of new visuals based on your input. This is where the real fun begins. You can generate variations, apply completely different artistic styles, or simply explore unexpected visual directions. It's an incredible way to brainstorm and push the boundaries of your creative projects. So go ahead, upload your images, write your prompts, and see where Runwayml's Image to Image can take your creativity next.